Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Priya Sharma and I'm so happy to be back with the voiceovers in my video. So I hope you really missed me. Coming back to today's video, I'm going to show you two heat embossed card ideas using the same stamp. So let's get started. For the first card, I'm taking a dark blue cardstock as a card panel, placing it in my stamping tool and applying anti-static powder. Because of the anti-static powder, the embossing powder won't stick anywhere else other than the stamped image. I'm taking this beautiful floral bunch image from the Congrats stamp set by Craftyscrappers. Now place and pick up the clear stamp as shown. Apply Versamark transparent ink on the floral stamp and stamp the image on the cardstock like so. If required, repeat the inking and stamping process to get a more crisp image. As you can see, I'm using the fine white embossing powder from Versamark. Pour the embossing powder on the stamped image and tap off the excess. Now let's melt the embossing powder using a heat gun. Make sure to move the heat gun all over the paper instead of holding it at one spot for a long time. And here you go, our stamped image is embossed. To add some depth and dimension to the image, let's ink the edges of the card panel with a black ink. So for this, I'm gently going around the edges in a circular motion using the blending brush. I'll also splatter some white acrylic paint around the flowers. Now let's stamp the Congrats sentiment like so. I'm also stamping a sub-sentiment below Congrats. Now let's heat set the stamped sentiments. Next, stick the card panel on a card base that is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches in size. And here's a completed card. Comment below if you liked it. Now let's move on to the second card. For this, I'm taking a white card panel. Just as we did for card 1, let's stamp the floral bunch using the Versamark transparent ink. This time I'm using clear embossing powder which becomes transparent on melting. Now, to bring our flowers to life, let's ink blend on the transparent stamped image. Using the blending brush, I'm ink blending with pink and green inks like so. You can also add finer details or shading using markers just like me. As you can see, I have cut my card panel diagonally and now I'm going to stick a gold mirror cardstock across the diagonal edge. Trim off the excess strip and stick the panel on a magenta colored cardstock. Next, I am stamping and heat embossing the thanks sentiment on the top right hand side corner. And finally, to complete my card, I'll embellish it with self-adhesive pink pearls. So I hope you like both the card ideas shown in today's video. Do let me know which card is your favorite in the comments below. And like always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now.